Good morning, everybody. The non-3-minute video, so I can get as much as I can in. All right. Thanks, Alliance Maintenance, for sponsoring this update. Alliance Maintenance Incorporated excites our customers by creating a clean and orderly place to work. They've got locations in Tulsa and Springfield. If you have a business that needs cleaning needs, definitely hit them up. All right, let's talk weather. Moving over to Storm Prediction Center's outlook today. Marginal risk is expanded. Basically, Wichita, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and points southwest. There is a hail risk. Looking at that, it's very limited to that area. Would not be surprised if we see some cells that could produce some hail in the local area. I think it would be under quarter size though. No worry about damaging winds or tornadoes or anything like that. I think this is definitely more of a rain situation. Switching over to EROs, excessive rainfall outlook. Everybody's in the marginal risk. I really surprised we haven't seen a slight risk come out. Just looking at all the indications of above normal rainfall, and that kind of coincides with the model. So we will see. Moving over to day two's ERO, Saturday, everybody's still in it with higher risks as you work your way towards Little Rock. All right, let's move over to the model, and we'll just run it through here. The HRRR just completed, so we can cover the whole thing here. So 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, maybe some isolated showers developing ahead of that. So I would say from 1 p.m. to 4 or 5 o'clock, we could see a few isolated showers develop across portions of the area. Once we get past 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, chances grade or increase greatly. And then once we get to dark, we just really start seeing this move in and develop. This is 1 a.m. We've got cells working through northern Oklahoma, southern Kansas into southwest Missouri. 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. We're all just in this rain here. I'm going to backtrack just a little bit. Early on, I would say from 6 p.m. to midnight is if we see a thunderstorm, it could be elevated and we could get some hail out of it. Outside of that, I think we're just heavy rain. So 6 a.m. Saturday, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, noon. Guess what? Everybody's still raining. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6. Start seeing some breaks, but we still have showers on the back side of this because the low is still swinging through. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, midnight, Sunday morning, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get the idea. Really, Saturday is going to be the day you're just going to stay at home, do nothing. All right. This is helicity, hail indication. It still has this area here, not as greatly as last night's model, but still showing the same thing. So we've got an idea that this is probably going to be where we're going to see the strongest storms. There are still hail indications throughout, but still, I think I-35 area between Wichita and Oklahoma City is probably your primary concern area for that. All right, rain totals. This is the latest and greatest. It's got 3 inches for the Tulsa area, and then Graham Lake 3 inches as well. So now we're back to along and south of I-44 for the heavy stuff. We've got some bands north of Jasper County, Barton County area, and then some light stuff in southeast Kansas. So it's crazy to see the difference here on. We've been really focused on southeast Kansas and scraping into southwest Missouri. Now we're looking at Tulsa area to up I-44, and then east of Springfield and Branson area, and then we're back on to heavy rain in Arkansas. So back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Very annoying. I mean, look at like Clarity here, which is the National Weather Service forecast. I mean, it's still focused on southwest Missouri. It's got that blob in Arkansas. The latest actually has it south of Hot Springs, Pine Bluff area. So it's just a little off. This is from 1 a.m. So they should be updating this, I think, the 8 o'clock hour. So we'll see an update, a revision of this based off some of the model data. We'll go from there. All right, that is it. We'll just continue watching things, see how things evolve. But definitely rain is in the forecast later tonight through tomorrow. All right, have a good Friday, everybody. Yes, it's Friday the 13th.